And also too, like it's very good practice to always have like a job number. Oh, I could have done it like this actually. So I'm gonna hit previous. I'll hit the previous key to go back and then kind of go, you can navigate with your cursor. In RoboGuide, we're using the arrow keypad, but on the Teach Minute, you can do the same here as well with this arrow keypad. One advantage to like utilizing RoboGuide is you can use your keyboard for some of your functionality. Like actually, if I'm not mistaken, I can, like if I want to call this job 1. Yeah, so I can just press the number key on my keyboard to be able to use numbers and letters. Maybe that's why it's not giving me the keyboard option. But, so we call this thing job 1. This is good practice to give thing a job number, so that way at least there's some type of segregation, and you can keep using the same word job 1, job 2, job 3. Jobs are also utilized in program selection, right? So this is model number 1 of the part, this is model number 2 of the part, model number 3 of the part. Or jobs can also be used like this is process number 1, this is process number 2, this is process number 3. And so each one of those things are called as a job. But depending on like what sector of what industries you work in, this might be called something different. It might be program number 1, program number 2, program number 3, or recipe number 1, recipe number 2, recipe number 3. You'll kind of see just some different programming conventions. So if you see something like that, that's probably what you're looking at. You're looking at different model numbers of a part being ran or different processes inside of an operation. Enter, enter, end. All right, so now we have our first program that's officially here. I'll kind of just run through and create some points. Whenever creating a point, you have different point options. Also, depending on what type of robot you have, you may see other options that are here for like, for example, for welding robots, they have a package in them which will give you a C type of weld, a circle weld, or an arc weld.